Hey everybody, welcome to Character Modeling. That's correct, welcome to Character Modeling. Hope everybody's doing great and hope everybody has a good weekend and everything. Just give everybody a heads up. Sorry for the late announcement post. Usually I have these on Monday. I had some car issues this week and definitely held me up from doing some recording. I'm sorry about that. However, everything should be good, so let's get into it. And today it's going to be really interesting. We're going to talk about what to look for in eyes. We're also going to talk about the last parts of the assignments that you're going to be doing this week and then go from there. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, let's get into it. Let's get started. Let's go. So this week I would like you to finish the model of the head and the character bust. And that means adding eyes and ears. We'll talk about ears a little later in the week. But for eyes, they have multiple layers. Obviously, with an eye and the anatomy of it, you have the frontal portion, which has like the iris, the lens, the pupil, the cornea. But then you also have the back part of it, which includes like the optic nerve, the disc, the macula, and the retina. This is all in the back side of the eye, which we tend to learn that eyes are not truly fully round. They're like oval with like a circular shape on it. There's a lot of things about it, but when we're 3D modeling an eye, what we really need to focus on in 3D is just to start with simple shapes and work into the layers with the eye. Focus on how it appears externally, and really don't worry about the back part of it. That's really the deal. So you don't have to get really detailed into it. You just want to showcase the front side of it. Adding detail is really important too, especially like adding different colors and wet layer to make the eye stand out a little bit more. And just don't forget about the eye socket if your character has one. That's really important. Unless your eyes just pop out, then cool, you don't have to worry about a socket. But if it's in the head, then it needs a socket, and that's something to keep in mind with. Other than that, let's just get into your assignments and go from there and see how we can really make this work. So, all right, here we go. So you have 3 assignments this week, your discussion post. Last week, if you posted a discussion and didn't have a reply on it, I'll give you 100 for it because mine have been late a little bit, and I'm sorry about that. So your discussion post this week is talk about scientifically striking ears. 2 paragraphs, of course, for your initial post. I'd like you to post 3 images of human cartoon characters that display ears and how their ears work with their overall head design. I want you to post 1 each image and then explain to it in a couple sentences how the ears are designed specifically to how the whole head is designed and what aspects are different for the match made color character. And then you're just going to reply if you agree or disagree with the post for your reply post as well for the 1 post that I post this week. So with detail, the more detail you add, the more I'm going to give you for effort. And the more examples, if you add more to the post, like add a challenge or add something, I'm going to give you a lot more. So that's something to keep in mind. And then you have your 2 assignments, character bust fully completed. I want the project with the 2 lectures this time, or with the 2 images, the render images. So please send me the project file and also the rendered images, a front and a side view. I'd also like you to finish the character bust fully. No, it doesn't have to have any hair. This is just the model of the head itself, and that's really what I'm asking for. Sweet. And then I'd like you to start the character body. That would be cool. So we're going to get 30% here. We're going to have 3 check-ins with this assignment. Please model the character body as best as possible. I want you to at least get like the torso done and maybe the pelvis. But other than that, we can do arms and hands and legs and feet later. That way is perfect. All right, cool. Other than that, that's all I got. Be safe, have fun, enjoy. Hope everybody has a great week. And talk to everybody a little later. Thanks for being amazing. Bye-bye.